what is working really, really well right now on Amazon is natural search, natural customers. And that's always worked really, really well on Amazon. But right now, it seems to be doing incredibly well. So what the hell does that mean? How the hell do you do it? First up, your product, I don't know, give me a product, give me something to go search for, and we'll go and do a real live example. Somebody give me a product or a product category or a product thing that they're looking at. Could be anything, I don't know, whatever you want to do. Brand name thing. Cooling towels. Thank you so much, Cherie. All right, let's suppose you're in the cooling towel market, all right? And you've got your listing up on Amazon, and just for argument's sake, you're selling on Amazon.com, but it doesn't matter where you're selling, could be anywhere. And you're saying to yourself, okay, well, I've just listed my product. It's currently on page 12 billion. And I want to get it to rank on page 1. How the hell do you do that? All right, so the first thing you would do is with your product, you've got to get reviews for your product, of course, and it goes without saying that your listing has to be set up properly. Nice images, blah-de-blah-de-blah. All your ducks in a row as far as your listing's concerned. That was all, hopefully goes without saying. But then what you want to do is you've got to move your product from page 1 billion up to page, I don't know, between page 2 and page 5. Okay, so you've got to move it there as quickly as possible. And the fastest way to move it from page 1 billion to page 2 to 5 is Amazon PPC. That is the very, very fastest way to get into the first 10 pages, all right? The second you launch Amazon PPC, your product, and it makes sense when you think about it, will go into the first 10 pages of Amazon search results. So let's just go cooling towels. So you can see there's 3,000 results, yada, yada, yada. And let's just scroll down. So there's heaps, it goes up to page 7 here. Okay, so there's 7 pages of results. There's usually more than that actually, but that's not typically what Amazon shows you. So you've got to get it between page 2 and page 7. The fastest way of doing that is just to launch an Amazon PPC campaign. That will get you there. Once you've done that and you've had that running for a couple of days, you will find automatically that your product will, even if you don't make any sales at all, your product will be between page 1 and page 10. It will definitely get there. There's a lot of reasons why that will happen, but I don't need to go into those right now. So once it's there, here's what you need to do then. Then we're going to play real customer on Amazon. So we're going to then get people to go and buy our product. And if we search for cooling towels, so let's just suppose we're going to scroll down and your product is on page 2, but you want it to be on page 1. So they will come, ignore those, and let's just suppose this is our product right here, this Frog Togs thing. So you'll get some people, friends of friends for instance, to come and buy your product. We've already discussed that strategy. And they'll click, so they'll do a search on Amazon.com for your product. They'll find your product. They will click through onto your product. And then they will simply add it to cart and check out. So it looks like an organic, natural search process, okay? Amazon loves that. Look at that listing. How shit ass is this listing? It's just beggars belief. Anyway, so Amazon loves that, all right? So that works incredibly well. And you will find you need very, very few people to do that for you for your product to get onto page 1 of the search results. Very, very few. Less than 10. Absolutely. In fact, I've seen incredibly competitive niches where you can get onto page 1 using what I've just shown you with less than 10 people doing that exact thing. Less than 10, which is cool. Obviously, to go further up the page, that's going to take more. But to get onto page 1, less than 10, typically will get you onto page 1. In some instances, it will get you into the top 3 as well. So is that. Also, what's working really, really, really well as well, this is super, super new, super, super cool, is what I've just shown you. So search and find. So that is organic search, cooling towels, find product, click through, and then add to list. So add it to a list, and then let somebody else come in and buy that product. Now, what that will do for you is it will get you onto, and this is super cool, will get you onto the gift area as well. So this is something we've only just started doing. Where's the gift area? Come on, Asher. So you know Amazon's got a complete list of gift ideas and things that get gifted. I'm surprised it's not on the home page. It normally is. But it isn't for whatever reason. And in that, if you can get yourself onto there, that is lots and lots of great organic traffic too, he says. And it, of course, oh, here it is. It's actually in the top spot. Like an idiot, I missed it. Thank you, guys. So here it is, look. So get yourself into here by doing what I've just shown you, and then you get somebody to buy your gift, your product as a gift. So same strategy, but then you're looking to use it as something that gets gifted, and you'll get yourself into here as well. And you need very few people to do that for you for that to happen too. Less than 10, absolutely. So that's 2. Well, 1 brand spanking new SEO hack for you, and 1 thing that will absolutely get you onto page 1, position 1. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.